Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate Pryor, and in today's video I will be showing y'all how to clean your Serger. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Can I show them how to clean a machine, please? These are the tools and brushes I will be using to clean my Serger. I got this from Joann's for about $7 I believe, and I also got this from Joann's as well. It is a all-purpose machine oil, so I will be using this, and let's get started. Right now I am just going to go ahead and cut the threads on my machine, pretty much take all the threading out before I get the actual cleaning process started. As you guys can see, there isn't a lot of lint buildup in here, but I am just going to go ahead and get it cleaned in oil because it's been a while since I've done so, and let's get to it. Alright, so when it comes to oiling, I like to keep it very simple and minimal. I don't want to over oil my machine, so I'm going to show y'all what I normally do. So what I would do is put oil on this bar here because it makes contact with this piece of metal and it's just going to rub against each other, so the oil will keep it slipping through without a problem. So I just pretty much squeezed it one time, which is equivalent to like one drop. Then I'm just going to go ahead and move it up and down. I'm also going to be putting a little bit of oil on that small knob all the way in the back there, and that'll pretty much be it for oiling our Serger machine. now that our machine is all clean and it's oiled, we're going to go ahead and move on to threading our machine. Go ahead and grab the spools of thread you would like to use, and let's get started. First, we're going to start with the upper looper. Go ahead and clip it to the second hook in the back and bring the thread through. So now we're going to connect to all of the red dots in the bottom here. Go ahead and pass the thread through this back hook here. Then bring it down to this lower hook. And then continue connecting to the rest of the dots. And you should also hear like a little pop sound once the thread is in. If not, and you know it's in, it's fine, but sometimes you can hear a pop sound. Now we're going to go ahead and take it and pass it through this very tiny hole up here. You can go ahead and grab a pair of tweezers to help you pull the thread through. It makes the process so much easier. Alright, so once you got that finished, go ahead and lift up the foot of the machine and just pass it right behind it. Next, we're going to go ahead and thread the lower looper. Go ahead and click it through the hook in the back and bring it down. Next, you can go ahead and place it through the hook in the back, and now we're going to connect all of the yellow dots. Alright, so we have first, second, and third. Now we're going to connect it to this fourth hook right here. Now we have it connected to here. This part gets a little tricky, so I'm going to zoom in for you guys. What we're going to do is take the thread and we're going to pass it behind this piece here. They also have a demonstration right on the Serger machine as well, so I'm going to show y'all how to do that. So I'm just going to hold my thread, take my tweezers, and pass it right behind. Once I get it behind, I am going to go ahead and slide it back. And once I slide it back, I'm just going to do a very gentle tug, and I know for sure that it's in place. Then I'm going to take the tip of my thread and pass it through that tiny hole right here. Once you get it through, go ahead and pull it through with your tweezers. Be gentle because it can get tangled very easy. Then we're going to take this and pass it right behind the presser foot. Now we officially have the bottom of our serger threaded. Now we're going to work on the left and right needle. Go ahead and pass it through the hook and bring it right through. Now we're going to go ahead and pass it through this hook here. And we're going to connect all of the lime green dots, which is just one. Now we're going to go ahead and swirl it through loop A. So I'm holding my thread and I'm just going to bring it right through. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it through the eye of the right needle. Now I'm just going to go ahead and grab my tweezers to help me pull it all the way through. You should have something like this. Go ahead and take it and pass it right under the presser foot. Now we're going to go ahead and thread our left needle. Go ahead and pass it through the hook and bring it down. Now we're going to go ahead and pass it through this hook here and connect it to the blue dot. once it's passed through, we're going to do the same thing as we did with A to B. Now that I have it through, I'm going to take that and put that right under the presser foot as well. Now we officially have the serger cleaned, oiled, and threaded. What we're going to do now is go ahead and test it on a scrap of fabric, and that'll pretty much be all. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.